Okay. 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 We're getting the retest. Yikes. The hour is putting in that wick at the top. Looking at the 4 hour, there's really not much resistance that we should be um that should be giving us trouble. So now it's pulling back to the 2 minute EMA. I think that's a 9 EMA. So let's just see how price reacts here. Let's go back to the 5 minute. We're still pretty far. We're like we're like 100 points from the EMAs on the 5 here. So we're still we'll wait here for a little deeper of a pullback. You see the little reaction at this area. See, that's why they want to enter here, because of that dump, right? But now we're back at the 5 minute EMAs. So we're looking for something similar like this. A little sweep of the lows here and back up. Since they made a higher high. Look at that hour candle, right? There's all that momentum. So it's real hard for me to be bearish right now. I'm only looking for longs. There's a little reaction I want. A little weak though. Never mind, they just popped it like 20 points. What the heck was that? It's not really news. Oh my god, look at this pump. It looks like a trap though. It looks like a trap for longs, and they're gonna sweep the bottom one more time. And then just probably go up here. So I want to be patient. We already caught a winning trade, so it's actually given. It's pumping. NQ is pumping, but Nvidia is getting held up here. At the, still ranging, so that's not really giving me any confidence to go long here. I want to see Nvidia pumping, ES pumping. Then I want to go long with the right setup. Nvidia is pumping. ES is also trying to give that pump. I don't know. I just I'll wait for a little bit of a retest. I'm FOMOing right now, dude. Oh. Dude, that's a nice 5-minute bar. Look at that 5-minute. Holy, I don't think we got a retest here. Just a little more of a, come on. I switched to my other account because this is like too much risk. Okay, they're giving me a little reaction up there. Push down here and give me another wick. I will enter. Oof. I don't know if they're gonna give it to me. Okay. There's a little push down I was asking for. And there's the wick up. There's the wick back up.
Order filled.
There we go. I'm entering for a long. That might have been a mistake. That might have been a mistake. Because they didn't sweep any of these lows. I'm only gonna risk. I'll risk this. I'll risk the signal bar of the last candle, which is the last candle. Okay, Nvidia pumping. That's what I like to see. I'm getting rejected a little bit here. Oh gosh. Hold it. All we can do. It's pumping. If it gives me a nice little strong bullish close, and I'll move my stop here. All in all, I think we're risking about 80 bucks here to make around 100. Oh, it's not looking good though. Not looking good. Not at all. This was a dumb trade. I should have waited. I mean, they are defending it. They're defending this level here, the Bulls. The Bears are fighting back. Damn. Looks like they want to go for the lows here, man. Of the bottom of this previous candle. Which I should have waited for. Why did I not, right? FOMO'd into this real crazy. Oh God. Oh God. That might be it for me. That might be it. As a stop out. Yep.
Filled.
Eesh. One losing trade, one winner. I'm gonna switch to my other account. Or the next trade here. Alright, move on. That's what trading is. You win some, you lose some. I want to see this revisit the lows again on this 5-minute chart. There's that little pump up. Oh my gosh. See, I should have waited. Cause look at it now. There's the Bulls coming back. Yep. Should I waited for the sweep of them lows? It's looking good. Nvidia pumping.
Order filled.
I'm gonna enter. Enter for a break of these highs. Trying to get 780 at least, right? So come on. stop under these consolidations. If we don't go here, might just run my stop one more time. Then I for real have to switch accounts. There it is. There's the push. Give me a nice little close so I can move my stop. I might go for a little more here. Nah, just a break of this, and then that's good enough for me. Let me get a break of that. It's about 30 points. Come on. Bro, Nvidia is just holding us down, man. They gotta pump this. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Nvidia. It's so annoying. Nvidia needs to wake up here. And that's it for us probably. Probably gonna stop us out. Unless they pump it here.
Stop filled.
That's it. That's 2 losers. So I'm not. That's it for that account today. Just not seeing it clearly on that account, right? So I'm gonna move to the next one. Let's just wait. There's the pullback all the way down to the 21 EMA on a 2-minute. Mm-hmm. Let's just wait and see. Sit on our hands. Excuse me. Back at the EMAs, I probably want to wait on a 5-minute, like a nice 5-minute candle to even enter. Need a nice 5-minute, like bullish candle. If not, we're going all the way back down, which is not a problem. But I think I've just been rushing my trades. Two losers, one winner. A little reaction. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. That's a nice reaction. See. Um, See, that's the push I really wanted. Next time, okay. I don't know why I didn't wait for the 5 minute here. Super confident in this trade now. They might wick this back down a bit though. Oof, 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 oof. Yeah, that's crazy. It wicked me out, went right where I wanted it to go, which is crazy. Oh my gosh. That's frustrating, bro. See, Nvidia is still holding us right there at the top. And Nvidia is dumping right now, dude. It's like selling off. So I don't want to get long here. There's a chance that this whole consolidation up here is bracing for a move back all the way down here to the opening, which was what happened Friday. They tried to break out all day, just couldn't do it, and they just dumped like 200 points. I mean, it looked good. 5 minute is about to close with a wick down. It's coming back for the retest, and they might get it. So this looks kind of like it looks kind of like a range. If I see another, you know, bullish push once price gets down towards the 600 areas, I'm gonna punch for a long. See, I mean, it's trying. Dude, Nvidia just holding us down. That's so. Bro, if you trading the NQ or anything, yeah, NQ, ES, you have to watch Nvidia, dude. Okay, there's a sweep. There's a little wick that's being put in.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna enter here. Nvidia is pushing. Nvidia is pushing. ES is trying to go. And I'm gonna risk not even the next candle. Oh, okay, I'll risk the last candle slow. There it is. There it is. Come on, bro. Close strong here. I was up 9 points, and we're just getting shorted here. What? Looking for at least 20 here, man. Come on. It looks like it wants to go for the high of this range, right? And I want to get out as soon as it runs that high right there. As soon as it runs that high, I'm out. Waiting for a couple points push. Need a couple points push up here. Breakthrough. Boom. Okay, it's going, it's going, it's going. They're trying. You leave this trade on. Leave this trade on. There's a little push. Come on. Nvidia is pushing. ES pushing too. Okay, okay, okay. Come on. I'm gonna risk. I'm gonna move my risk up. So now we're risking way less. And it looks like they want to run this high. They're going for that high. Come on, give me that high push. Push out the high here. Down a little bit. Run these highs. Nice, nice, nice. Nice 5-minute close. I needed to run these highs here and take me out. There's a little push. 30 seconds for this close of this candle and see what happens. Let's see what happens. The 5-minute looks great for a long. There you go. There's the 25 points. Okay. $24 points, 25 points. Almost 30 points. We pushing. 35 points. Come on, take me out. Oh my god, it's right there. Come on.
Target
Nice.
filled.
Yes, sir. That's another 80 bucks. Before I get off, I really want to take a trade in my red account, in my one red account here, which I might do, just to see if I can get this back into profit. But it has to be a real nice setup for me to do that. But that was a quick 30 points. Easy, nice and easy. $38. It's still going. What the hell? Let me change the music up, man. The heck? 2 losers, 2 winners so far on the day.
The Neon City. A technicolor world where cultures unite. Where the future meets the past. Hand in hand. In this electric
Look at that push
wonderland,
out.
we'll take our stand. Forever.
Oh, I'm running a little too much. There we go. Probably better now.
Welcome to Tokyo. The Neon City.
There's the push. Um, yeah, I'm too focused on this freaking streaming shit. I need to focus on the charts. Focus on the charts, man.
You are listening to the sound of JD Lace.
There's the 5 minute push from the EMAs, and now we're probably waiting for another retest of the EMAs. But we already got 2 retests, and that would have been 2 clean trades. I got 2 clean trades out of it, so I'm not sure if we're gonna get another one. I mean, in today. So look at these. The volume is dying off on these pumps here, on these continuation bull bars. So, man, I want to watch this and see what the reaction is like on these pumps here. Nice, nice. We're pumping. We're pumping. Nvidia is pumping too. I want one little trade, one more trade before I get off. Make back some of this money. Okay. Nvidia is still going. If we get a wake up, might enter. Nvidia pumping, ES pumping, but Nasdaq is stuck. There's a little push.
Order filled.
I'll enter for a little bit. Grab a long there for maybe 20 points. 20, 80 points here. 20, 30 points here. Come on, push up. Next resistance level. Right here, around 300s. We got plenty of room. We got plenty of room. With plenty of room. Everything pumping. Everything pumping. I'm getting this money back. Nvidia. We got room to go in the video here. Not too much risk here. That's why I'm more confident. Not confident, but I'm not really worried we lose this trade. Let's take it at the little bit above the 40s. A little more. ES is pushing back up. Nvidia is the only thing that's... Yeah, okay. Might start trailing this sooner than my usual trades. See if they sweep these lows and go back up here, which is what I want to see. A little pump up here is what I want to see. I mean, they're defending this. What was this defending this level? Not liking how the ES looks. $20 seconds on this bar. There's the push. There's the push.
Order
I'm
canceled.
gonna exit there just so I can get a little bit nicer of an entry because it looks like it wants to dump back. Nvidia is not working with us here. It's not cooperating. Nvidia is not cooperating, so it looks like it wants to go down for a retest of these lows, right? We can always get another entry. But right now, I just don't feel confident. Nvidia is just holding. Look at this 4-hour chart, bro. We are in the middle of this big dump candle. So they might just want to come down and revisit the lows one more time. So what I want to see is probably a push back down to the 780s. Sweep these lows or come back down to the EMA. Then I'll be a little more confident in the long. Oh, I mean, man. Yeah, we waiting. We waiting here. Preferably we go down and retest this little area of 750s. 750 area. Nvidia pushing up. Oh no, it's getting stuck actually. Let's just wait. Yeah, look, see, thank God I exited that trade, because if it wanted to go, it should have went, right? It took too long to go, so that's why I exited that trade for a 3-point winner, right? Basically break even, because right now I'm already down 160 on that account. So we wait, and so we wait. Just coming down for that retest. Right now, I'm waiting for this 5-minute chart on the left. Waiting for price to hit uh 700 levels between these EMAs here, or around where the EMAs are, for me to get a trade. I don't know. We might not get that because sometimes very low. It's a low probability trade, but on a 2 minute, you know, once they have a wig like this, it could go. They don't have to give us a little deeper retest. Like, I mean, preferably you want a retest like this. You look at this area, perfect textbook setup. Come down, sweep these lows, hits the EMAs, goes back up, right? On the 5. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. I would wait. But if you see here, look at the 21 EMAs. Once it hits the 21 EMA, you know, and it makes a little wick, you know, statistically we bounce. Statistically. Same with the bearish setup here. Look, statistically we bounce from there. So that's what you want to wait for. My dumbass took some trades right here in this freaking consolidation, not looking at the 5 minute mark. Oh, the 5 minute chart, right? And I took 2 dumbass losses. So if I only had waited, it would have been 3 winning trades today. There's that little pullback. There's the pullback. Let's see, PX 38. Yeah, there we go. Let's see what happens here. We got a reaction here, right? So I want to wait for this 5 minute to close before even trying to enter a trade. What the heck happened to the music? That's a nice reaction. Here we go. Still trying to figure out my volumes. See, this is why we wait for the 5 minute to close, because they always want to push it in a direction at the end, at like mid candle, right? So whenever that put in that wick, it like FOMO'd in buyers, and now the sellers want to push it back down, stop us out, and probably go up, or they push it down and then the buyers buy in and then we go up. But usually we get a little bit more of a test. The first move is usually a fake out. Still getting that little wick. 45 seconds for this close on the 5-minute candle. Seconds. Make sure I have a right account here. Yep. Giving it a little stab at the long here. They're back at the bottom. Might be a little long here, but I want to wait for more confirmation, right? Let's see. Risque position to be in. Let's wait for a little more of a retest. Nvidia not really giving it to us. Just that push up. There's the little pump on Nvidia. It's giving me a little confident here. Okay, they're defending it, which is a good sign. Good volume. The hourly. Yeah, we just pushing here, so. There it is, look at that. Maybe. ES trying to push.
Order filled.
Enter here. For a little longa dong, for a test of the highs. Come on. Give me a little more of a push. Come on. They're pushing here. 50. Come on, give me a little more. 22 points. 23 points. I might move it up here a little more. I'm gonna trail this. Keep going. 26 points. 70 points. Oh, it's 70. 27 points. Come on, give me a little push out of that hole. Super close. Come on. Tag me out. Tag me out. Tag me out. Tag me out. 20 points right here. I will move to break even. I just need to run the highs here one more time here. Looks like they're about to do it. Look at it. Twenty 30
Target
Boom.
filled.
out there for 30-point winner. Yeah. 30-point winner. So we're only down 100 on this account, and every other account we're up. So basically, 2 losers, 3 winners today. So, I mean, profitable. And I think that's going to be it for me today. Okay. It's 10 a.m. Took 5 trades, which is normally way more than what I do. I usually only do 3 trades a day. But dang, look at it run, man. Look at it run. Yeah, so that's it for me today. And hopefully tomorrow we get all wins. All wins. So, peace to the streets.